This is the iQOO Neo 11, and it's rewriting the rules for flagship killers. You get a top-tier Snapdragon 8 series processor, a massive 7500 mAh battery, and a stunning 2K 144Hz display. All for a price that doesn't break the bank. iQOO has just released another powerful smartphone for gaming. The iQOO Neo 11 has been officially announced in China, bringing high-end specs at an approachable price point. The company is known for offering performance-focused smartphones, and the latest entry brings a similar package. Is this the best value gaming phone of the year? Let's find out. The Chinese brand's Neo 11 aims to offer a flagship-level experience when it comes to performance. All of this is to ensure a smooth gaming experience, which is apparent when you look at its display. The iQOO Neo 11 sports a tall 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 2K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, 3200Hz touch sampling rate, 10-bit colors, DCI-P3 color gamut, up to 4500 nits of peak brightness, and 1.4mm ultra-slim bezels. Under the hood, the smartphone is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, which is last year's flagship chip from Qualcomm. The processor is paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. This is one of the highlights aspects of this device, since it enables high-end gaming without any stutters or lags. Keeping these hefty specs cool is a large heat dissipation area of up to 8,000 millimeters squared. The iQOO Neo 11 uses aerospace-grade aluminum alloy that helps improve thermal management. The device measures around 8.5mm thick and weighs around 210 grams. You also get an IP68 IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. To ensure a long and uninterrupted gaming experience, iQOO packs the Neo 11 with a massive 7,500 mAh battery pack that supports 100-watt wired fast charging. For optics, the rear has a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700V main sensor, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, while the front houses a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. Other notable features include hi-fi audio, stereo speakers, NFC, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, an in-display 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and an infrared sensor. So the final question, is the iQOO Neo 11 the best value gaming phone? For its blend of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the 144Hz 2K display, the massive 7500 mAh battery, and advanced cooling, the answer is a definitive yes. If your priority is raw, sustained performance and battery life without paying a true flagship price, this is the one to get. What do you want to see me compare the iQOO Neo 11 against? The OnePlus Ace 6? The Redmi K90? Let me know your vote in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe